So here we will make baba ganoush. Just make it like this because not boom. Yes, and we will keep it in the oven. Inshallah, this oven is good. Oh guys, alhamdulillah, we make the tinjan. What in English?
Eggplant, or in Europe, aubergine.
Yeah, eggplant, or in Europe, aubergine. In Arabic, tinjan. So we make it in the oven because we want to use our time. Here we will keep the dough just to rest and stay like 30 minutes because this is small. I will make it the time. I will finish the baba ganoush and after that come back with to make khubz. Okay, so here we finish and done the baba ganoush. We will work it together. After we will make it in oven like 20 minutes, something like this. We will first you must cut this like this. صحن.
Sahin and sakina.
سكينة. صحن سكينة بتنجان. In English?
Plate. Eggplant. Knife.
Welcome to Arabic language. Okay. And you see this? We need the inside. Outside, just we will open this. You see? All of this inside, we need it. This is the baba ganoush. But this is the first step. After that, we will mix it with the tahina and everything. Let's see now how we will do this.
Oh, it looks perfect.
Now we will make it here, but a little bit, because we don't have space here, you know. In our country we have like this, but big. But I love this design when I don't know why.
Also perfect for travel.
Yeah, for travel. Always, as a Palestinian, we make it with the pepper and garlic together.
Fresh.
Yeah, fresh. But here we don't have garlic, so I will use powder.
Because my husband used it on his chicken shawarma.
Yes. And inshallah we need just, you know, a little bit. But here I will not make with pepper because Jillian, she doesn't like spicy. So we make it just for here and me. And for me it's okay. If not spicy, I will eat it. I don't have a problem. Okay, we mix it the first one. We not finish. We just because we don't have space. So if you want to make this in your home, try to make a lot and keep it in your refrigerator because don't make hard work all the time, you know. It's not hard work, but just you have easy. You just take from your refrigerator, make it beside the food. Now after this, we will make olive oil and the tahina. You will love it with the tahina. Tahina is important things here, and the olive oil is important also. In Gaza, sometimes we make it with tomato, but tomato on the coal, and this is on the coal, you know, everything on the coal, and nuts also. Mix it together. It's look. You can eat with the barbecue meat. Delicious.
We also have almonds, love, if you want to toast almonds.
We will make it with the almonds. This is how you like, you know. If you want it, you can do it. If you don't want, it's okay. And here, ملح.
Salt.
Salt. A little bit. Okay. And we have here the tahina, the important.
Is it approved by my husband?
Yeah, we must move like this.
Mix.
You will see now the color will change. And I love tahina too much. You love tahina?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And we need olive oil. Lemon. I love lemon and the food. Olive oil, lemon, ملح.
That looks delicious.
What does mean ملح in English?
Salt.
Salt. In Arabic,
Mele.
ملح.
What is your favorite way to eat baba ganoush? With khobz, like
Khubz, of course. Of course, with khubz. And we will make also nuts. Wait, we are not finished.
we got lemon for lemonade, and we haven't made lemonade yet.
The nuts, like make it outside here. And we just make it like this to clean the nuts. I can make it in the water and in the last, you know, as you like. The what you call this, Jeline?
Almonds?
No, like this. نقشره. This is the important. See? Now we will make what?
We're going to cook the almonds.
The almonds.
Fry it.
Be careful. That's very delicious. When become brown, we will stop. When you see this color, stop because it will be still cooking without fire. Yeah. And Bismillah, I love the almonds, so we make almond too much. This is a lot, but we love almond, you know. You see? You see how?
It puffs.
This the is bunfukh. Like come like this.
Yes, puffs.
Puffs.
Puffs. Puffs.
Puffs.
In Arabic?
bunfukh. Wallahi, this is look perfect. more than anything.
Third time's the charm, figure of speech.
Second one. Okay. Look here. Yummy. You see? You see?
It's perfect.
Very perfect.
That is going to wrap up another episode with Cooking with the Azzams. My favorite part of the video, although I had so much fun filming you doing your thing, is doing first impressions of my husband's cooking. So thumbs up the video. Let me know in the comments what did you think.
Yeah.
I'm super excited. Bismillah, first impression. Also, you made chicken luncheon meat.
Yeah.
Which is something similar to a spam.
With my favorite food is
First impression, Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Kissing these hands. Okay. I have to say I'm proud of you because you did use all of our fresh garlic when you made your chicken shawarma the other night and we didn't have anything in the house. We substituted with garlic powder and no problem. What do you think? The garlic powder substitute okay?
Yeah.
So if you don't have fresh garlic in the home, you can use garlic powder.
Yeah, but the better if you use the fresh garlic with the pepper and a little bit salt and make it like
Yes,
this
and he's
together.
talking about hot pepper for fire if you love spicy.
Yeah.
Wow. I have to say, your whole business is perfect. I'm proud of you. Comment down below if you had baba ganoush before, or have you ever seen baba ganoush before? Because a lot of you guys have never seen most of the food that we share on both of the channels with my husband's culture. So it's always exciting to share something from you and your culture on the channel. And it's super easy and healthy. It's very also filling too for me. When you last made this for us in Egypt, I was so excited because I love baba ganoush and I've never had his baba ganoush and it was perfect. So I knew that I wanted you to make it when we got to Bali and we finally have it. And it's vegan.
Vegan, yes. And inshallah I will make this one day for you guys. We will make it. I really need this. We need to go camping one day and I will make this on the fire like barbecue. It will be so delicious with bandora, beside bandora, you know.
Tomato.
Tomato, yes, bandora.
Wow.
With this and we make our special food.
Alright, so we are going to enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us on another episode of Cooking with the Azzams. Let me know in the comments down below if you love seeing my husband's cooking and also cooking in a kitchen that's not a full kitchen. This is a kitchenette. As you've seen, we use a conventional oven for cooking the eggplant, the aubergine. And we also use the frying pan method to make the hobis. So I hope this inspires you that you don't need a lot of things to make things happen. You just think outside of the box and be creative. You can make a beautiful meal with just a few things. So we will see you very soon. Anything else you want to say?
I love you all. And the free Palestine.
So I hope you guys enjoyed another episode from beautiful Bali, Indonesia, and it is like perfect weather to create content, cuddle weather, tons of like vibes going on today. We got rain, we got thunder, lightning, wasp in the background. We got all kinds of things happening on the island, and it was so much fun to hang out with you guys today. So I will see you very soon, another episode of Cooking with the Azzams. Aloha, mahalo nui loa, and
Wassalamu alaikum.
bye guys.
Bye.
Hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with the Azzams.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.
Mahalo nui loa and
Wassalamu alaikum.